So today we are doing
rabbits.
today we are doing patterns, right?
Yeah.
We did 1, 2, 4, 8, 16,
Oh my god.
right? All those are patterns. So we'll do another one.
So far.
And so this has to do with rabbits. Manas is rabbits, right? So what happens is, hold on.
No, my rabbit.
I need to draw a lot of those.
My rabbit.
Okay, you will draw the rabbits and you.
Let this be a rabbit.
No way.
I think that's a good idea.
No,
Yeah.
let that pencil box
So-
be a rabbit.
No, we
Hold
need
on,
many.
hold on.
Rabbits
Muskan.
are blue color.
Yes.
Rabbits are blue color.
This represents this.
No, I need two kinds of rabbits.
Can you make a
Okay,
cow?
green rabbits and blue rabbits.
Blue and red.
I need a lot of colors.
Oh my god.
Oh.
So I think we are okay with blue and green rabbits, right?
Yes.
So what happens is this is a pair of rabbits,
To
right?
represent
what?
angry rabbit.
No.
Oh yeah, this is a good idea.
I need one.
One has this too.
So this is a pair of rabbits.
Each
A
one
pair
is
of
two rabbits.
Yeah, two rabbits,
Okay.
right?
Green.
This is a young rabbit. After 1 year, they grow old.
It's two rabbits becoming two older rabbits.
Yeah, two young rabbits become two old rabbits.
Yeah.
When they become old rabbits, every year they're going to have two babies,
I don't understand.
Oh.
right?
Oh, the green ones are children
And of
the blue
course-
ones are adults.
They are going to stay as well, right? So this is the same rabbit as this, plus they had a baby. Now this one, in the next year, becomes an adult pair.
Wait, I don't get it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what happens is there are rabbits,
The
right?
green ones are babies.
So
blue ones are
in the
adults.
first year, the young ones grow up to be adults. In the next year, they have two babies,
Okay.
right? And they obviously continue to live. And then next year they will have two babies, and then next year they'll have two babies.
But the old rabbits continue to live.
They continue to live forever.
They never die.
They never die.
I wish I would
Super
have
rabbits.
rabbits. I wish I would want rabbits.
And the younger ones will always take 1 year to grow, and then they will start doing the same thing,
Oh my god. Okay.
right? So let's draw how many rabbits will be there after now. This is the old pair. What does the old pair do? It lives on, plus it has two babies, right? So now at end of third year,
Yeah, two.
you got a old pair and a new pair. What happens next year? This new pair becomes old,
And the old
and this
pair-
old pair has another new pair
Oh god.
and continues to live.
And this. Okay.
Wait, what?
See, this old pair will
Oh,
continue to
yeah,
live
yeah.
next year and also has a.
New.
So the old pairs will always divide into one new, they will remain,
And
and
won't
one.
those guys also?
Not
No,
yet.
now
In the next year, they will divide and live. This blue will become
Wait,
green.
how?
Sorry. This green will become blue, and
then
this blue
we get a green.
Oh
will
god.
become.
And then
Why will this become
Yeah.
blue? Oh, okay, fine.
Right?
That's a new baby.
Next year, what will happen? This
then we
Grow
blue.
old,
And then
that
we got
one
green.
stays, and there's another baby.
And then
So this, right?
Yeah.
And even those will have.
Now what will happen to this
one
one?
green, one blue.
One
Those
green,
will
one blue.
also have babies, won't they?
Which one, beta?
Which ones? This one will have.
No, the original pair.
Yeah. We'll go to
Then two more blues.
Then one
this,
blue.
and then one blue
Yeah,
and one
one.
green.
Originals are coming down
Oh
now.
my god.
Clear to everyone?
Oh, I get this. This is one.
Muskan, please, hands off.
But I don't get why.
No, this is the way they behave. These are rabbits, right?
I got the sequence.
We have it.
Super rabbits.
Yes.
I got the sequence.
Right? Now what is the sequence? How many total rabbits? One.
One, two, three, 5, 8. It's very easy sequence.
What is the pattern? If you know, then just keep it to yourself. Rest everyone. What is the pattern? What will be, how many after this?
13.
Okay. Anyone else?
13.
Anyone else?
13.
Okay.
Anyone else?
10.
Why?
Okay, got it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it will be 13.
Right?
How is
Right,
it?
कैसे? इतना थोड़ा सा
1 plus 1.
1 plus 2.
Yeah.
1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. So the number is always the sum of previous two numbers. 13, 21, and so on. Right? So this is how this colony of rabbits will multiply.
It's 1 plus 1, 2, and
That's
10.
another
And then 1 plus 2, previous two numbers, previous two numbers, previous two numbers, previous two numbers.
Yeah.
Got it?
Okay.
So this is a special thing, right? And we'll see why this is a special thing, right? So remember these numbers. Get me the pine. So the reason why these numbers are cool is because they are formed in nature, right? So look at these pine cones. I got 3 of these, right? We had more smaller ones this time. Get the smaller ones. They are much nicer.
One.
What are you counting? Alright, you know what to count? So this is what I want you to count. Right? I want you to count the spirals. Right? And this is the spiral. Beta, Muskan, please. This is a spiral. This thing, you see the spiral?
Oh yeah, okay.
And this is another one.
No, I don't see it.
Okay? Yes.
Oh yeah.
Right? This is another one.
Yeah.
This is another one.
It ends here.
This is another one.
I want.
This is another one. Right? So count how many of these kind of spirals are there.
This is
Right.
spiral. Oh, count how many there are.
That's good.
It's hard to see in that one.
No, there's nothing.
No, there are spirals there also.
Each one of those is spiral.
There are spirals here also.
Okay, let's count on this one. See, for example, this looks like
Just take a different kind of pen.
so we are starting from here. This is the second spiral. Right?
Take it down.
But don't draw.
Muskan, do you know how to count?
Yeah, I counted it that time when you
Yeah,
told us.
yeah.
the
Only the bottom one?
So did you count at least one set of spirals? How many were there?
8.
Wow.
Eight.
Wow. Now count the opposite spirals. Right? So how are you counting spirals? Sumiti, did you get the spirals? Oh.
There are 30.
Yes.
Ow!
So why don't you, both of you are
I
right.
hate you.
You tell her the 8 spirals, she'll tell you the 13
You
spirals.
had 8.
You just got 8?
Yeah.
How are you counting
Because
them?
Papa accepted my foot.
Okay, so this way you counted 8.
Like
I want you to count this way. This is also a spiral. This is also a spiral. The opposite ones, count those ones.
Wait, we also got 8.
You also got 8.
Take some.
Okay.
Like
Now,
this. Like this.
now count like this. See, this is the spiral.
Black is
Okay.
too.
This is the spiral. The rising spirals. Right? Count how many of them.
This one. 1, 2, 3.
There are 14.
No, there are 13. There are
13. 13. 13.
So you got 8 and 13.
Yeah, I got 8 like.
Do you see the 8 and 13 number?
Oh yeah.
Then next week 21.
There is no next on this one.
13.
13.
13. You also got 8 and 13. See? Right out of the rabbit colony.
13.
Right out of the rabbit colony. Right? So these things are called, and remember the name.
That's cool.
These are called
I can't
Fibonacci.
remember it.
These are called Fibonacci numbers.
How is it possible? What?
Fibonacci number.
Fibonacci number. Fibonacci was the guy who discovered these numbers.
F-I-B-O-N-A-C-C-I.
Yeah.
Call them fib numbers.
Fibonacci.
Right? Now, this is the problem for the homework. That this is just one of the places where Fibonacci numbers are found. Right? You have to find out. You have to find out where else will you find these numbers. In nature.
Google.
8 and 13.
Yeah?
Can we Google it?
Yeah, but you got it. So you will find and you'll get me one thing which has Fibonacci numbers. on
Only
it.
8 and
You have to
13.
get it.
No, you can have 5 and 8.
Any of these numbers.
Normally you'll not see 1, 2, 3. You'll see 5, 8, 10. But you can see 21.
We have to give it.
But you,
get it
can you go
physically or just-
further?
You have to get me something
Can you go
like a pine
further?
cone.
Wow,
Yeah.
so much
So
easier.
for the next one will be 34,
So you can keep going that side.
You can
Like
keep going.
55.
55, and so on, right?
Then
Now
Can
you
you
have to,
Google it?
you can Google, you can find out whatever you want to.
But you
Why
have to
is
get
it
the
different the opposite way?
Why is it this number at all? Question 1.
Will you
Right?
find it on-
All the pine cones,
Yeah, and why did all of them have even the
we'll
big
come to
one,
that.
even the small one?
right? We'll come to that. In fact, the same one, not the
I
same
don't
one.
know what
Okay.
that is.
So you will have to get one thing.
everyone wants it.
Everyone will get one thing.
Other than the pine cone.
You can get a pine cone if you want. But
I have
it's not-
pine cone.
It's not interesting anymore, right? Pine cone is done. So get me one thing which has these numbers on it, right?
But
The good thing is you will not have to step out of your house to get it. If you have plants.
Yeah. We have no.
8?
No, I mean.
Yeah. So these are found everywhere.
wait, do you have to find?
Leaves,
Do you have to
plants.
find in spiral way or in any?
They almost always occur in spirals. And we'll come to why. Next class. Right? But you'll almost always.
Will they have different numbers like in different sizes of pine cones? Will they have like?
No. But different kinds of pine cones can have different numbers.
Even
It
the big one
doesn't
had
it doesn't depend on the size. See, once the pine cone is this big, right? Once the child is 1 year old, it has 2 ears, 2 eyes, 1 nose. It's a done deal, right? You can't change it after that. It can grow, but it'll have the same structure.
You breaking the cone.
Oops, sorry.
Oi! What do you think?
Let's analyze it. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah? So it doesn't change once the pine cone is born.
Wait, what if two people get the same thing?
That's fine. I'm okay with that.
But it doesn't have to be a pine cone.
It doesn't have to be a pine cone. It will be more interesting if it is not a pine cone. Because you've already seen a pine cone. Right? There are literally hundreds of things that you can find these on.
Wait, I think I know one.
Yeah. So interesting.
Is it a tree bark? Like if a tree is
Figure.
cut, if
Yeah.
a tree is cut, will the spirals be?
It doesn't have spirals. When a tree is cut, it has circles. So there are no spirals there.
But
But would that still be part
No.
of the Fibonacci?
So that's a very different concept.
And will they have
They
eight
say
and-
that when
eight
the
and
tree
13
is cut, how
only
many
there?
circles it has?
Has the age.
Will it have?
Yeah, so it's a
will
very
it-
different.
Will it have only 8 and 13? Will it have like
It can have 5,
eight?
it can have 21. Typically, you will not find 3. You'll find 5, 8, 13, 21. Typically in the middle. Yeah?
But you can't define as middle because it will go on to
But
the
why is
Uncle,
it-
can you get can you get 5 and 21 or 8 and 24?
So you can get all three of 8, 13 and 21 together.
No,
You will
but-
not find skips normally.
Oh, you want, okay.
Because
What
they're
happens
growing
is
like
when you
this,
find
na?
these two, you'll also find the middle one.
So that they are growing now every year. So I'm just thinking it's happening in all the
No,
living
this has
nature.
nothing to do with that.
But like not many things have this spiral sort of.
Yeah, many things are spirals.
They do.
Yeah.
We probably don't notice.
In nature, right?
In nature.
Got it.
What? No.
No. What?
Fingerprints.
Why don't you guys go and Google it out,
Yeah,
right? Do you know Google image search?
Yeah.
So do a image search. So you can find these spirals. The other thing you can find in nature, which is also Fibonacci number, is this.
What cone?
So we said 1. So we'll draw 1 square. Right? Then the second number was 1. We'll draw 1 square. Right? Second number is 2. We'll draw 2 by 2 square next to it. Fine? I'll show you why. Right? 3. Where can I draw 3 by 3 square? This side is 3. So I can draw 3 by 3 square. Now this side is 5. So I can draw 5 by 5 square.
Oh.
And then I can draw,
8. You can draw 8.
but I'll draw in one direction. Right?
it'll become a spiral.
This is 8. Then I can draw 13 by 13, but it will go off the charts, right?
I don't
And now-
understand.
This
This is spiral.
is a spiral, which is also a Fibonacci
But I
spiral.
didn't understand
You
what
got these numbers?
Yeah.
So I'll start from a square of 1,
Yeah.
and I will draw adjacent squares, which are successive numbers. So after 1, I have to draw adjacent square with 1.
Yeah.
I drew 1. Then I have to draw a 2 by 2 square. I drew this square, 2 by 2. Then a 3 by 3, right? Then a 5 by 5.
But why won't you draw them somewhere
Then
else?
8 by 8.
Adjacent color.
Right? Then this 13 will go off the paper, right? And so on. And then if I take new corners of all this one, this one, this one,
Yeah, this one.
this one.
The
No,
common
I took this
corners.
one here.
And this one.
No, not both. You take one new in each one, right? Then I get this spiral, right? And there are some things in nature which look exactly like this spiral. Those are also allowed for next week. So you can get me these kind of spirals, or you can get me the pine cone kind of spirals.
Also, it could be in this formation. Like
It will look exactly like this if you get me something. But this is harder to find.
Here.
Those ones are easier to find.
Like this.
Yeah? So that's your homework, and you can do your
Hair
calculation.
in your head like that? It has to be nature, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Oh, but I got the
even I got a flower.
I
got
So
a flower.
what does the flower look like? What are the spirals? What are the spirals?
That
The
center.
center.
Mine too. Everybody got flowers.
Yeah, that's the easiest one.
I
So how many what Fibonacci number is in there? Do you count?
No.
So how do you know it's Fibonacci?
Because there's a spiral.
Yeah, all spirals are not Fibonacci spirals. Count. This is Fibonacci, so you're in luck. Did you count?
No.
Count.
How'd you count the spirals?
You can mark one with a pen and then start counting.
See,
from
it will be
Like just
like
mark
this.
one
So
spiral and then you
this-
start counting the spirals.
Oh.
Like, yeah, you just keep counting the spirals.
It will be one. There will be one set of spirals like this.
But where am I supposed to start from?
Anyway, it's a circle, right? And then there will be a second set of spiral like this.
And that will form that cross cut.
This looks like a flower, right?
Like the center.
Yeah.
Somewhat.
Did you count? Can you see the spirals? Okay. Banana is not Fibonacci.
It is.
No? It's not three.
Any numbers.
Not,
It is.
not exciting enough. We got a 21
Yeah, but I
and 34 Fibonacci flower. You have that?
Yeah.
This
Mine
is
is 13.
Yeah,
so
but
that is a dead
13?
now.
Okay.
13 one way.
And pineapple also has those.
Pineapple, you know,
Oh
has
god, I'm
three,
having a hard
not
time
two.
counting.
Is it
this.
CD
The flower
one?
has
Can
two.
you help me count?
Because the pineapple also is like this. It has got another one going on.
I
You
can't
see?
count the other. We can have another covered pen. Does anyone have
Yeah.
a black pen?
Right here.
Jasmine, did you see the flower? Smriti, you have a flower, no?
Yeah.
Mine's
I think
30, yeah, but that's what
See if you can see the spirals inside.
Mine's 13.
1 by 13.
Yeah.
Can you see the spirals?
Papa, are we counting the wrong spirals?
Priya, can you see the
over here?
spirals?
It's hard to find spirals.
Yeah, it's a straight one.
I'm not being able to count it the other way. The other way is harder. One is 13, that's all I know.
Other will either be more or less. Like it's normally.
Other will be more.
No, it could be less.
Anti-clockwise is harder
Let
to
me
find.
look at which one is the
Anti-clockwise
spiral.
always put
There.
If something is false. Uncle, can you help me count?
Yeah. See.
Yeah, I can count.
It's gonna be 21 the other way.
Is a spiral.
Oh.
Right? So now you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Second way
9,
is lines.
10, 11, 12, 13.
That's a figure.
That's the
That's the
second one.
spiral.
That's the second one.
And the other one.
Yeah.
Wow, you colored everything, eh?
I tried to
Let's
count
see.
it.
Let's
I counted that way.
And what do you do the other way?
It's like there'll be
That's more like
lines
lines.
going in the other direction. Like
Oh,
that
nice.
way.
So you have to count the vessels around. Oh my god.
No, this is hard now because it's all done.
My God, you use it to pen or anything?
No, just use one here.
I think
See, I can tell you one, right? And then you start. So
Okay, one.
this
Your flowers really have to
is a
come.
spiral, right?
she's already done
And
it
then this is the second one, this is the third one. This one. This row, this is one spiral.
What's your flower? What is your
Right.
flower?
Mine is
So let's say you start from here, I just
Normally
like mark
it's
it.
consecutive.
Yeah.
Like,
2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
7, 8,
This is my
I
shower.
was thinking you.
10.
No, not that one.
I
Now that we can count it. 11. It's probably a 21.
Because I like there was a picture of a shower.
Ah, she has a very nice flower. So spirals are showing up very nicely. Which way did you count? So you counted
Mine was the same flower.
the larger number. You got 21 or what did you get?
I got 13.
Okay. So the other one is this. See. This is 1. Right? So let's mark that. Right? Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13 both.
Got it?
13 both.
No, I think the other way looks more to me. So let's count those. So this. So this is the spiral. Let's start counting from here. This is 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Is someone
11,
shift up
12,
or something?
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Mine the same flower.
Yeah, just the same flower. And I can't count the other way.
Yeah.
It's really hard.
These are yours, the hard ones. See, this one has very clear spirals, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Hi.
I couldn't find.
No problem. Come.
Yeah, we don't even
We'll give you an extra puzzle this time. Why don't you come this way? You move forward. Okay. So, but see, look at the spirals. Why don't you help her with the spirals now that you know? But, so only spirals?
I think this is.
This might be Fibonacci. See, this is the other kind of spiral that you were discussing.
Should I get the graph paper?
Get the graph. So, see,
Like
the
20.
21. Actually, it can be 20. There's no reason why it can't be 20, but
But then it's not a.
then it's not
part
Fibonacci.
of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember we did this last time?
Yeah.
And then we
Yeah.
did this. Now this is that kind of the spiral, right?
Yeah.
It goes and then it expands out. Right? So it doesn't have the numbers of
It's awesome.
13, 21.
But this is the biggest one.
We try to draw these spirals on a graph paper. So
This is the biggest one. It went
no,
till.
no, this one. So it starts here, it goes here,
Yeah,
it
that's
goes
how it
here.
went till 240 something. The 240.
Right? So this is that kind of spiral.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe it's too simple.
Yeah? But any idea why plants land up in this pattern, the Fibonacci pattern, right?
But I saw the video, that's why I know it.
Same.
But that doesn't account for anything.
Any idea? Plants don't know math, right?
This pattern is Fibonacci that you're drawing here.
Yeah.
But it's not very
It'll end
evident.
up being Fibonacci in the end.
So why don't we go see a plant?
Can we get the plant now?
Yeah. Sunflower. You have get that pine cone. We got the pattern from my pine cone, right? So we'll see the pine cone and see why is it going in there.
That's for the video.
Done.
Yeah.
Ah, the plants are not calculated, right? They're not saying next should
It's
be.
easier to see the pattern of it.
Yeah.
Oh, we have
Okay.
this.
So let's go there. Right? And what is this guy trying to do? Any ideas?
He's trying to space them all out.
Why?
He's trying to what?
Who's trying to?
When the leaf comes out, the leaf, what is the leaf trying to do?
Trying to.
Yes.
He's trying to make food.
Yeah. How? Yeah, photosynthesis. So what does it need?
Sunlight.
Needs sunlight.
Chloride.
It needs sunlight. So rest everything comes from the stem. The only thing it needs from outside is sunlight. Right? So now there was this first leaf that came by. Right? And took this place. Now there's another leaf growing from underneath. Where should it go?
On
Yeah,
that
yeah.
side. Next to it.
Next.
To it.
So one possibility it goes here. Right?
But
Right
it also
opposite.
go next to it.
It can
also
go
next to it.
anywhere. Like
It
it's
can
on
go
the stem, right? So it
Right.
can
It's
go
going to
anywhere.
the stem. It's okay.
But it can also go below that, can't it?
Just below, then no sunlight will reach it. It will die.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Right? So it has to avoid this one. And then the next one can go next to it.
And
Right.
the next one next to that.
Now what will happen after they've all gone around once?
And there won't
The next leaf will die. Right? Because it will be right below
because they
this.
have to come under one.
Yeah.
What would be great is that if the next leaf somehow knew to get here. Right?
It would have to be
gets
really
here.
big.
Huh?
It would have to be really big.
No.
It will have to be
Bigger than the rest.
or outside. See what happens here. You go from in to out.
Yeah.
Right? No?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but that's
Right?
7.
Then like, this one, right?
No, but the inner circle.
Inner
is
circle could be
7.
anything. That depends on the size of the leaf.
Oh.
Right? So what these leaves are trying to do is they are trying to get sunlight and they are trying to get away as far as possible from each other to get sunlight. And the sun can come from different directions. So I'm right next to the previous one, then I get sun from here, but I don't get any sun from here.
And you get sun from the top.
Yeah, you get sun from the top. Right? But if I want to get the maximum amount of sun that I can,
Far away.
then I'll end up as far as possible. Right? Which is this. But then the next leaf can't get as far as possible. It gets stuck in the middle. Right? So now what happens is, the first one comes up here, the second one comes up here.
Oh.
So the third can be now as far as possible from both of those. Right? But this is not 120 degrees. Because if it is 120, the fourth one will get blocked. Right? So it's slightly smaller than 120 degrees, which means the fourth one lands up coming here. And the fifth one lands up coming here. So if you start looking at this now, right? and you start seeing how far are they spaced from each other, you will see something like this. Right? So the newest ones are the ones which are the most at the center. The older ones are moving out.
So why is
Right.
it not a pine cone?
With pine cones, these are dead leaves.
They are.
Yeah.
They're dead leaves.
They're dead.
These are dead. That's why they're round.
Yeah, but
If you see a pine cone that's on the tree,
It's
you will see green ones.
green. Yeah.
Right? Same is true of any plant. You go and look at a plant, it will have leaves coming out, and the younger leaves which are at the bottom, right?
Yeah.
They'll come out in a place where there are no leaves on top of it.
But then why is it on the center of the flower?
Because even the flower petals want to maximum light.
Yeah.
But
They're-
like the center.
See, they're looking for different resources. So petals is one thing, but what do you call that?
The center of the
The
flower.
seeds?
They need for the insects to fertilize.
Yes.
with the-
They are looking for maximum exposure
To insects.
to insects to fertilize. So everyone is looking for space. Right? Now it happens then when everyone is looking for space and people come out one at a time from the same place, then they tend to go away at this angle, which is Fibonacci angle, in that spiral. Right? So without calculating where they have to go, just by virtue of saying I want to be as far as possible from other people because I need my space, right?
That automatically becomes Fibonacci.
That automatically.
Can the cities be planned around Fibonacci then?
How has this got to do with cities?
People
I don't think